I am a medium. I go through a book, or I'm attracted to a book, or an image comes to me and I have to study it. It's part of what I call vendor matrix. A vendor matrix is a way of looking at one part of the geography of the earth by looking at another. And it is mathematical. And we can make a difference by mathematically calculating it. By calculating exactly what area we're dealing with and what to compare it with, we're able to go into a whole new galaxy of understanding. I think we align with the classical cultures of the past in that they spoke of very high places and built very, very tall structures to reach something. And we're, in my opinion, and this is, of course, my own independent research, and I'd like to disclaim that it has been worked out to its finest point because it's only a paradigm, a way of looking at something, and a new science, really. Now, we're going to take a look at the Sierra Nevadas from the Black Mountains all the way down to southwest Sierra Madre area. This is where Yellowstone is. It's all the way down to Lake Mead, and then all the way with the Colorado out to sea. We have a unique opportunity here to take another land and take a look at this and see what equals up. Now, I do add Golden Age icons from periods that were classical and built great structures and inlaid these things, and they live for a long time in rock, so I can study them and compare them. As you look at this area, this what I call very rough terrain, high rugged terrain, mixed with low river fords. If we put the green Buddha through here, we see his left hand up and his right hand down. This right hand being down, we can follow with our maps, and it touches the Lake Mead area. We consider this whole area, including this north quadrant, and all the way down to Mexico, to be, and we name it in the name of this particular interpretation only, to be Shangri-La.